ability in diplomacy through public image of state. U.S. is losing grip on its influence on global platform. Record of signing treaties and withdrawing track record horrific when it comes to human rights violation. To regain soft power, U.S. should ratify Rome Statute, regain legitimacy as legal actor in international law.
Diplomacy through public image of state. The United States is losing grip on its influence on the global platform. A record of signing treaties and withdrawing track record horrific when it comes to human rights violations. To regain soft power, the U.S. must ratify. First, it's not enough. Cooperation with allies and adversaries is essential.
Hi, my name is Gloria. I'm in 9th grade. I've been doing debate for around 5 years, and this is my 3rd Harvard tournament.
My name is Charles Lee. I'm in 10th grade. It's also my 3rd year doing Harvard. Our winning strategy for this tournament is to basically focus on genocide and what our big impacts are.
Yeah, I also think that we should focus on our bigger impacts and weigh it out well during the rounds and compare it to our opponents.
How are you guys feeling right now?
Feel good. Confident.
Yeah.
What are you excited about?
Winning.
Perfect. How many rounds are you going to win?
All of them. Good.
It was fine.
So you have feeling that you want to the round?
Yeah, most definitely.
Oh, definitely?
Yeah.
She wasn't sure?
She's not confident.
You are confident?
Yeah.
Okay, so I can't wait to know.
Yeah.
But what was the, kind of judges feedback after the round?
He didn't give feedback.
And if you get,
No feedback.
oh, he said he was very stringent.
I'm not sure, but his paradigm said he was tight.
Okay, so the other team is strong too. Okay, whatever the strong positions that they brought, you can use it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Anyway, good luck with the next one.
Of course.
What happened?
Won.
That's it?
Yeah, what?
What does meaning win to you? What does that mean now?
Absolutely not.
Okay, now that you won 4-0, what does that mean? Where are you going next?
Elimination.
Okay. What went well with this round? What went well?
I feel like we had a good framework. We make sure that we wouldn't dispute it, so automatically, basically all the arguments come to our side.
What about you?
Yeah, I think we're
Okay.
done.
Do you still think there's something better you can do next time? Okay.
Always bring things through.
Okay. Perfect. Good luck, guys.